In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for time management. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible system to capture tasks, plan your week, and measure where your time actually goes. First, create a master task database to house everything in one place. Add a status property with options like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Keep it simple so it stays actionable. Add a priority property High, Medium, or Low to make quick decisions when you are busy. Finally, add a due date. This one is key because it unlocks calendar views and scheduling later. Give your database a clear name and consider setting default values, so new tasks don't come in blank. Next, use multiple views to see the same tasks in different ways. A Kanban board helps you visualize flow from To Do to Done, great for project stages. A list view is perfect for a clean daily to-do. And a table view is ideal for detailed planning with all your properties visible. You can switch between views depending on what you need that day. Now, filter out completed tasks to keep your workspace focused. Add a filter to hide anything marked done so your current priorities stay front and center. If you ever need to review your history, just toggle the filter off temporarily. To schedule your day or week, open the Notion Calendar app and drag tasks directly from your database onto the calendar. This is perfect for time blocking. You can adjust durations, move tasks around, and immediately see how your workload fits into your real day. If something changes, simply drag it to a new time. Inside Notion itself, use the calendar view to visualize deadlines and milestones. This gives you a big picture monthly or weekly snapshot, so nothing sneaks up on you. You can sort or group by priority to spot high-impact tasks quickly. For recurring work, create templates for repetitive tasks like weekly reports, set default properties. Add a checklist if needed, and save it. Using templates means these items appear consistently without rebuilding them every time. To track effort, add a number property called Hours Spent, or add start time and end time as date properties with timestamps. If you use start and end times, add a formula that calculates the total time automatically, so you don't have to do the math. Finally, roll up your data to measure productivity. If your tasks relate to a project page, add a roll-up on that project to some hours spent across all linked tasks. You'll get a clear data-driven view of where your time goes. That's your Notion time management system, centralized, visual, and measurable. Thanks for watching.